Ever wished you could ditch the plastic and pay for gas with your phone? Well, get ready, because we're diving into how you can actually use PayPal at the pump. First things first, the most straightforward way to use PayPal for gas often involves a bit of behind-the-scenes magic. While you can't directly tap your phone at every gas pump and select PayPal, many gas station chains are integrating with digital wallets that do work with PayPal. Think of it like this: you link your PayPal account to your favorite digital wallet, like Google Pay or Apple Pay, on your smartphone. Then, when you're at a compatible gas station, you simply open the digital wallet app. Here's the key: at the gas pump, when prompted for payment, you'll look for the contactless payment symbol instead of inserting a card. You'll hold your smartphone near the terminal. Your digital wallet will then use the payment method linked from your PayPal account to complete the transaction. To make this happen, ensure your PayPal account is properly linked within your chosen mobile wallet app. Sometimes this even works by linking a PayPal-branded debit or credit card directly to your phone's wallet. This essentially uses your PayPal balance or linked bank account through the familiar NFC technology. So, while you might not see a direct PayPal option at the pump itself, by leveraging your phone's digital wallet and linking your PayPal account, you can enjoy the convenience of paying for gas digitally. Always check if your preferred gas station chain supports contactless payments, as that's the crucial step for this modern payment method. It's all about using your smartphone as your super-powered payment tool. And in many cases, your PayPal account is the engine driving that convenience. Happy digitally fueling.